Let's crochet the limbs of pandas with black yarn together. We'll need to start with magic rings to work 6 single crochets for round 1, totally 6 stitches. We use light colored yarn here for visible stitches under the camera. Please crochet using the correct colors yarn as specified in your pattern. Now, left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochets. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 6 single crochets, totally 6 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 6 single crochets for round 2. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Turn the pieces inside out to the front side. Okay, we have finished round 2. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Use the yarn needle to put the yarn tail inside the piece. Finished 1 limb, we need to crochet other 3 limb pieces in the same way. Finished the limbs of the panda.